Here is BEREAL app, and to change a phone number, here's what you do. Just tap on your profile picture in top right, tap on three dots in top right, and then here you have help. And then here you have contact us. So it's a bit counterintuitive, it's a bit tricky, like why would you put your phone number change here, but that's where it is. And then here is the change phone number. And then to do that, you need to fill out some type form. Please create a new account on BEREAL using your new phone number, otherwise you won't be able to change the phone number. Please answer the following questions. What was your previous phone number? And then you need to answer that. It's not only US phone numbers, it's every phone number. And then what's your new phone number probably, and then they will probably delete your old account or tie it to the new account or something around it. So yeah, that's what can be done. So try it out.